you're only ever going to get so far on affiliates anyway. And frankly, I don't like the idea of them having all the control. I'm sure you don't either, right? Like you don't want to just hinge your business on one thing. So to me, setting up this buffer is a no-brainer. Your products, I'm assuming, have pretty darn good margins, right? You make this a email generation play, and then you're going to do probably half your sales off that direct funnel from that traffic, and you're going to do another half off the email marketing that someone like a Gabor would design for you. But that's really going to be the scalable play. If you can get those economics and get the funnel right, which you'll be able to because the affiliates are already doing it. And quite frankly, you're in a good position because you can just go swipe that affiliate content and stick it right in the funnel. Like you can see, to our discussion last time, oh, these are the top 3 performing affiliates. Go bring up their stuff and see what they're doing. And like that will tell you what the headline should be, what the body copy should be, what the video should talk about. They've already figured that out for you. So you are well out of the gate in doing a strategy like 100%. That's all the content. That's all the research you need. Again, you're going to test different things. Do a video series on the sort of health that leads and telling you how much it sucks and bringing you down. And, oh, this is terrible. You can't live like this. And wouldn't you like to be, whatever. And like now people are engaged emotionally, sell them whatever you want to sell them after the fact. But that's the type of sort of thing you could build. Could be an ebook, could be a PDF, could be a video series, could be a webinar. But that's the absolute next step. There's not a lot of ways. There's not a lot of fast ways around that. You could build a massive ecosystem and invest in SEO for 6 months. Can you? Yes. Should you? Probably eventually. Is that the highest ROI activity you could do? No, I don't think so. I think it's driving traffic with a buffer.